to all. Welcome back to a new session of our EVS online class. We have finished up to 17 lessons. Today we are going to discuss chapter 18, No Place for Us. In this lesson, we have to discuss a story. That is, a person's name is Jetri Bai. He is moving from one place to another place. What are the things that he is feeling in his life? We are going to go through this story. Once there lived a man named Jetri Bai with his two children, Jimili and Sidhya. They live happily. 2 years back, Jetria's family came to Mumbai from Sinduri village. Sidhya is a small boy. He worked hard in the nearby fish factory. Even he is a child, along with his studies, he also do many works such as cleaning and sorting big and small fishes, carrying bags, pick up empty bottles, etc. Think and tell. Jetria felt alone even in a crowd of people. Have you ever felt like this? If you feel yes, you can write yes. If it is no, you can write no. Imagine how it feels to leave one's own place and go far away to live in a new place. It is very difficult to leave one's own place and go far away to live in a new place. The people, place, everything looks strange. Why do you think families like that of Jetria's are coming to big cities? Big cities have much opportunities for education as well as job than the villages. Have you seen any children in your school or neighborhood who also go to work? If you saw, you can write yes. Otherwise, you have to write no. What kind of work do they do? Why do they have to work? The answer is they used to sell something, cleaning the vehicle and serving the food in hotels and collecting waste materials, etc. Thinking of old days. Jetri was born in Khedi village in the middle of thick green jungles and hills. His people had been living here for many years, even before his grandfather was born. They enjoyed a lot. They learned many things, to dance together, to play flute and dole, etc. People collect things from the forest to their uses. It was a village, but people here lived together like a big family. Jetria's sister was married in the same village. He and his friends would go to the forest to collect fruits, roots and plants for medicines and fish from the river to sell these in this town. During festival time, Jetri would dance and play the drum with boys and girls of his age. He enjoyed a lot with his friends and his relatives. In Khedi village, what all did the children learn? The children learned to dance together, to play flute and dole, and to make pots of clay and bamboo, etc. The next is, what do you learn from your elders? In this chapter, they learn to play flute, dole, to make pots of clay and bamboo, etc. From this chapter, but in your life, what will you learn from your elders? You have to write it your own. Jetri learned so many things in Khedi. How many of those would be used for him in Mumbai? Out of this, he can use some of them to earn money, such as fish catching, selling goods in the market, playing dole, etc. Do you hear the sound of birds every day? Which one? It's a homework for you. You can do it. Can you imitate the sound of any bird? Show how. It's your own choice. You can write it. What are some of the sounds that you hear every day, but the people of Khedi may not be hearing? There was peace and silence in Khedi village, but here there is a noise of vehicles and sounds of loudspeakers. Have you experienced silence? When and where? Answer is yes, I have experienced silence in the midnight. If you felt any other ways, you can write it. Across the river. One day, the people of Khedi heard that a big dam was to be built on the river. For this, a big wall would be built to stop the flow of the river. Khedi and many nearby villages in that area would be drawn underwater. The people would have to leave their village and their lands, on which their forefathers and live for centuries. After a few days, government officials, along with the police, started visiting these villages. The officials measured the width and the length of the river, the fields, forests, and houses. They called meetings with the elders of the village. They said villages on the bank of the river would have to be removed. People having land at Khedi will be given land far away. Jetri's parents and most elders were not happy about leaving their village. Listening to all this, Jetris would get a little scared but also feel excited. He would think that after getting married, he would take his bride to the new house in the new village, a house where he could just press a button for the light and turn on the tap for water. He could go by bus to see the city. When he would have children, he could send them to school. They will not be like him who had never been to school. Many people in Jetri's village did not agree to move away their land and forest. Why? They had to learn even though they did not want to. Why? Many people in Jetri's village did not want to leave their land because they have a lot of memories, a lot of happiness. Then, the government has decided to build a dam on the river near their village. So, they compulsorily to leave that village. In Khedi, how many people were there in Jetria's family? Who all came to his mind when he thought about his family? There were 4 people in Jetria's family in Khedi. His parents, Jetria, and his sister. And he remembered his childhood. Have you heard of people who don't want to be moved from their old places? Talk about them. If it is yes, if you heard of people who don't want to be removed from their old place, they say it's their grandfather's or their elders' land. If it is yes, you can write this reason. Otherwise, you have to write no. Do you know some people who have never been to school? Do you also know if any place where there is no school? If you know, you can write yes. Otherwise, you can write no. What do you mean by dam? Now we are going to discuss what is meant by dam. Dam is the barriers that to stop or restrict water. Dams are the barriers that we stop or restrict the flow of the water. It is called a dam. First, we are going to discuss about the merits of this dam. The first merit is it is used as irrigation of water. Irrigation means we can use this water for the field purposes. We can pour the water to the plants, plantations, etc. They are called water irrigation. Then the next is, it can reduce water scarcity. Water scarcity means if there is no water, we can use this water. So, irrigation, scarcity, etc. These are the things that we use. We can use the water from the dams. Next is demerits of dams. The first demerit is deforestation. For making these dams, we have to cut all the trees and all the trees, plants, etc. If we cut this, after that only we can make dams instead of that place. So, first one is deforestation. The second demerit is people, animals, birds, a lot of creatures lost their habitat. They can't live there. The people, human, plants, animals, a lot of creatures, they lost their habitat during this building of the dam. This is the another one demerit of the dams.
A new place. It was a summer afternoon. Jethro was feeling faint in the heart. There wasn't a single tree to offer some shade. He had an old tire on his back. To light his stove with just these rubber pieces of old tire. These caught fire fast and also saved some firewood. But the smoke and smell of burning tires were terrible. In this new Sinduri village, they had to pay money for everything: medicines, foods, vegetables, firewood, etc. The roof, made of a tin sheet, made the house hot like an oven. In Sinduri, there were only 8 to 10 families he could call his own. This was not like the new village Jetri had dreamed about. There was electricity, but only for some time in a day. And then the electricity bill had also to be paid. There were taps, but no water. In this village, Jetri got just one room in a tin shed. It had no place to keep the animals. He also got a small piece of land, but there was not good for farming. They doesn't have enough money even to buy seeds and fertilizers. In Khedi, people did not fall sick often. In Khedi, there is a lot of medicinal plants which can be used for treating illness. But here, only medicines are available. For getting this medicine, we need to pay a lot of money also. Hospitals are there, but doctors difficult to find. We can't find the doctors. Schools are there available. The teachers did not care much about them, the children. The people of Sinduri did not welcome the newcomers from Khedi. They made fun of Khedi people by calling them unwanted guests. Was Sinduri village like to village of Jetria's dream? No, the answer is no. Sinduri village was not like the dream of Jetria's. There was electricity, but it never comes. There were taps, but there is no water. There were hospitals, but there is no doctors. The house was made of tin roof. There was no place for cattle. What differences he find between Sinduri and in his dream village? There was great difference between Sinduri and in his dream village. Jetri was very happy that he will take his wife to new house. He thought his house in the new village would have electricity, water and tap and all basic things. They will have all that they could not even dream in Khedi. Have you ever been to anyone's house as an unwanted guest? How did you feel? If you feel yes, if you are ignored, you can write yes. Otherwise, you can write no. How did you feel? We feel very bad. If you feel ignored, we feel very bad. What all does your family do? when you have guests at home for a few days. When guests come to stay at our home for a few days, we feel so happy. We have to respect them and we prepare their favorite food items. Some years later, Jetri stayed for a few years in Sinduri. The children were also getting older, but Jetri's heart was not here in Sinduri. He still missed his old Khedi, but there was no Khedi now. There was a big dam and a big lake of collected water in and around Khedi. Then Jetri sold his land and his animals and came to Mumbai. He moved from this area to Mumbai. He started a new life with his family. His only dream was to send his children to school, to give them better future and better life. He too things were not easy, but he hoped that things would be get better. Jetri started saving money to repair his one-room shacks. His relatives discouraged him. Jetri was scared and worried. He thought we felt Khedi for Sinduri. We then left Sinduri for Mumbai. If we have moved from here to, then where can we go? In this big city, is there not even a small piece for my family to stay?
Migration is the process. That means we can move from one place to another place in search of food, water and shelter. Migration is a process. That means we have to move from one place to another place in search of food, water and also shelter. It is known as migration. Next is displacement. Displacement means some persons are forcefully migrated from one place to another. Because of some forces, we should move from one place to another place. From there, the situation is sometimes it is favorable for us, sometimes it is not favorable for us, may or may not be favorable for us. So it means forcefully migrated from one place to another place. It is known as displacement. Next is transfer. Transfer means we can change or we can migrate from one place to another place for our own wish. It is according to our wish, our like. We have to change from one place to another place, or we can migrate from one area to another area. That is known as transfer. For example, while we are working in some places, we have to move from one place to another place. Mostly it may be favorable for us. The condition or the area is mostly favorable for us because transfer is necessary for us. Transfer is not compelling. It is a process. So, moving from one place to another place without any compulsion. It is transfer. This chapter is over. Read the textbook and do all the textual exercises and stay safe in your home. Take care. Bye.